Yo, welcome back to the Fabulous Zone. Your ultimate Asante Kotoko fan channel. Sorry, say muti and catch for some time now. Can combine me home for my papa, so I was fighting some small illness. Binako pandum. Say the team I fit. Mon fan channel or hosi. Nene and share dinner or big game. The biggest local derby ever Ghana Premier League mu enne na eba so ewo Obuase Ashanti Gold ato ne nsa de afre Okrah bia Kumase Asante Kotoko Porcupine Warriors Bukuma apembeba is the motto Memphis Kotuloto Africa Club of the Century. And in the game we a very big game na ya shed ye see Endra ewa Okrah Sports Stadium na say no na another local derby course so name say na saying nkwara no ya no mo ya ha adwen nkwara no omuhia mpenifo na they want to make a case, they want to prove something. I mean no motivation the ball no it's always high. I want to your meet me am a great dupan Endra abra Okrah great Olympics or che the noise makers at CMO by 2-0. And then a similar game Basso Ewo Obuasi Lane Clay. Now this time Kotoko na quite win na Ashgold Ebo home. Yeah, share match no. Some of the good news Kotoko enya ahead of this game. Yeah, sure. You see last Sunday Wabra Mudasiru. Ultimate recover ya ultimate ball game ni bimema Kumase Asante Kotoko. About just 29 minutes, but share the performance or display or agrupamano so na. It was just mouth-watering. It was fantastic performance and Mudasiru will be display or Okrah Sports Stadium no. Just 29 minutes, only 94% pass accuracy. Wow. 17 passes, 16 of them were successful. Only 3 dribble success and a whole lot. They share each other also I say Ganiu is the man of the moment, the best defender in the Ghana Premier League right now. A bad defense they will be Antono. I think so only Mubarak partner. If the coach wants to play him there, only Mubarak be partner. Abelora no himself no he's been excellent since Ashanti that starting Kumase Asante Kotoko. Yeah, 2 and 3 there no don't go there. It's always intact. Osha Ibrahim Moro ne Christopher Nete ne Samuel Frempong bo Nkola we bona. I think said 2 and 2 Ichiro there Kotoko we don't have a problem. Ichiro there and Osha all our matches Ichiro no it's not really a problem for us. Yeah, mostly a problem na nim hono. Somebody to partner Kwame Poku obetimi ama negotiate na be ni because Kwame Poku you be an ho den obobo man of their honde be jato but at times we hear some 1 or 2 be passes be want to nim place onim dashing and you can say dash no ultimate dash it on ultimate position in who here over the pass ne bad ya obetimi make good use of it and no any problem kakra we enim ho ye fam fin ho so there hopefully a great news, one of the great news about so Sakode is back and Akayeke, so I think he's also back out with me see a kind of be. So Mudasiru coming back, Kayeke, Sakode, Anabila wasn't that impressive against Diana Stars, but then the coach decided who to start and who to bench. Until you better players be on Konya Park no Subiano. You give them all our support. Now Fabio Gama so let me say over the few days Kumase Asante Kotoko official website or the better confirm say Fabio Gama his fit obetumi I then see and that can him. If coach want to use him there, he's available for selection. Fabio Gama, the Brazilian the American name the American Coutinho, he's ready for selection. And Ghana referees moon protect Fabio Gama. Ghana referees moon protect Fabio Gama. Omuchan too much. If I don't have statistics to back this, but Charlie, Oshapania, he's the player my foul on a pan. Onyemo no mochano, onyemo be on mochano. And you best painful moon protect such a treasure because you see it brings more people to the stadium. What I say, and I Ojibon so on my born share effect. Nti mama nhwe mama ntwetwetwa no rough na no Ediana Stars hwe I mean ntwe bi omtwa boy kwa odwe ho onte ase nipa gibo asel ntokwa fine agro na nyina ye di enibre wo ho but nye ntokwa So the referees mo try to protect Fabio Gama man. Yeah, this share back on no Okrah. So looking forward to the game, I think say everything is set. Emmanuel Jemfi nowadays it's not that sharp. Emmanuel Jemfi not that sharp, but we'll see how it goes. Kwame Poku the way they are never starting him for sure since Osman Ibrahim Onyamba in there. I think say he's the only one who's going to play up front, supported by Fabio Gama if he will start. Now you share how it goes. So the Fablo zone, we'll be here for the match preview. No, it is not going to be an easy game. Kotoko fans, no man fan share dream. This game is not going to be an easy one. Ashgold this season, they are performing very well. They are performing, and especially at Obuasi. And almost mushia said the Endra Great Olympics their hearts and Safa Pepe no more mushia pe on also we lose to 4 more why they you now feel all of a sudden the spirits now sorry. And Mama and Fan Pibon Thai boys in the China hopes that we get all the 3 maximum points. It will push up Aquanimu party. We're looking forward to a good score line for the Porcupine Warriors. Aha the Fablo zone Musun for King Kobe and Medi and the preview no Ebremo. Medi will be say na after the game no so the beshane the little post match kakra Abremo na ya hwe de beko. O prediction you saying jawo comment section ho. Na you be a shady or ultimate correct. Aha the Fablo zone for Porcupines by